There, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is, I realized I've never given a proper introduction of what to expect for my channel. I think I'd like to do that today. I think I'd like to just explain what to expect. Hold on though. I'm looking at my screen. I just can't. This behind me is just not working. This was good till this point. Hold on a minute. I'll be right back. I'll be back in just a minute. Please don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. I'm back. Hi there. My name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to give a quick proper introduction of who I am and what my channel is about. I never did that. I started this channel in January of 2022 and it's a growing channel and I'm so happy. Thank you all so much. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber and you're watching this, please subscribe. You'll get notified of all new tutorials or videos that come out. The channel really is just going to be a lot more than just quilting and sewing. I'm going to do a little bit of everything. I love sewing, crafting. I love everything DIY. I love quilting. And that's what this channel is going to be about. So one thing is I am a very, very improv quilter and I am a very thrifty quilter. I love buying fabric though. Don't get me wrong. I'm just like probably most other quilters. I have an abundance of fabric and I love buying it as well as when I get it, the thrifting part of it. Yard sales, somebody finds it on Marketplace. I plan on doing DIYs, how-tos. I plan on showing you all the different tips, tricks, strategies, and techniques. There'll be times that we're going to be quilting, sewing. We'll be making a craft. We'll be doing some artwork. I'll be doing box openings. There'll be times that I'm just storytelling. I'll be storytelling sometimes with my subscribers. I think that would be a lot of fun. If you have something and you'd like to share with me, please leave it in the comments. If you have any ideas or different ways of how you do things, I would love to hear all of your comments. Lots and lots of beginner-friendly projects, and I'll be doing lots of improv quilting. So I'll be showing you on machines, and sometimes I'll take you and show you on the long arm as well. My motto is to just keep it simple. There's going to be a lot on this channel. I hope you do subscribe so you will be notified. I live in Maine. Maine is such a wonderful place. There's 4 seasons. There's so much fun things to do here. So I have a husband, I have 4 children, I have 9 grandchildren, 2 dogs, 2 cats. We're a real busy bunch. I will probably be sharing some stories with you. So please stick around. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time and remember to keep it simple. Have a nice day. Bye.